Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna review about Intel Core i7 11th generation PC. So it's basically Intel NUC 11 Extreme Kit NUC 11 BTMI 7 Gaming Barebone System Mini PC. Intel Core i7 11th generation i7 11th 700B octa-core 8-core. So it's basically a mini PC. Its specific use is gaming. Its series is NUC 11 Extreme Kit. Its CPU model is Core i7. Brand is Intel and its CPU manufacturer is also Intel. Graphic coprocessor is Intel UHD graphics. Its RAM memory maximum size is 64 GB. Connectivity technology is wireless LAN, Bluetooth, USB, HDMI, and network technology. Let's see about this item. DDR4 SD-RAM compatible slot installs memory that reduces processors idle time and enhances computer's performance. Connect USB enables device via 12 USB ports. Serial ATA over 600 interface provides quick data transfer and greater through output. See more product details. Additional details are here. Warranty and support. Amazon.com return policy. You may return any product computer purchased from Amazon.com that is dead on arrival, arrives in damaged condition, or is still in unopened boxes for a full refund within 30 days of purchase. Amazon.com reserves the right to test dead on arrivals returns and impose a customer fee equals to 15% of the product sales price if the customers misrepresent the condition of product. Any return computer that is damaged through customer misuse, is missing parts, or is in unsaleable condition due to customers tampering will result in the customer being charged a higher restocking fees based on the condition of the product. Amazon.com will not accept returns of any desktop or notebook computer more than 30 days after you receive the shipment. New, used and refurbished product purchased from marketplace vendors are subject to returns policy of the individual vendor. So let's see more about this product. There is a note about this product. Product with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US outlets at voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter to convert to or converter for use in your destination place. Check compatibility before purchasing. Okay. Click to open, expand view. So let's see other image. Great. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be right back very soon with another informative video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.